Guys, so today we're gonna be showing off my new truck. Well, it's not really new.
Wait a minute, before we get into the video,
Oh yeah, that's the
you need to like and subscribe. That's illegal if you don't. You'll go to jail if you don't.
Okay, we don't know who that was.
Sorry. You won't go to jail, but I'll
This is
recommend
my
it.
preview to my big bubble bubble video coming soon, and it's so squishy that you should buy one.
It's called a
They're
Wubble
definitely
Bubble.
worth the money. Just don't buy the air thing for the bubble bubbles. It's too weak.
How big can it go?
This one can go up to like 6 feet if you fully inflate it. Cause this is super. But then it breaks. Like it's only supposed to go up to 2.5 feet.
Wait, if you do 6 feet, will it explode?
But you can inflate it over 4 feet.
Oh.
Cause I did it.
Alright, here on.
Okay, back to the video. Sorry, that's my bottle. So, my two side by sides. And guys, you can actually see that, well, the two side by sides don't fit because, look, I just need to put.
Hey, tell them the secret in there.
Oh yeah, there's this cool thing. Look, it can't go anymore. Oh, so that's why. Then if you guys look carefully in there, you can see the door. You might want to turn on the flashlight. You can see a door in there.
So there's a living quarter in there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
do
One
what-
side by side can go in there. Then I actually like it because there's a pole side by sides can go on the roof and there's fences around there.
When you turn 18, what trailer like that?
Well, no, not really. I would like a motorhome.
Oh, you want one where there's no, you don't need to pull the truck, right?
A motor. Well,
But-
back to the video.
It's kind of better to have it detached because then you know how to run the trailer around everywhere you go. Right?
Anyways, I got a motorcycle, a truck. So this truck and the motorcycle are actually different. If you want to find the motorcycle, you can probably find it at most toy shops. Well, yeah, but I actually found this at if you want to buy this black motorcycle, it's actually at Dollarama. You could look for Dollarama. Then there's supposed to be a big section with a whole bunch of cars. You can actually find some cool cars, but that's where I found this motorcycle. And there's actually a cool light, so I'll just put that in. And then the side by sides, they don't. One of the wheels doesn't quite touch ground, but it's still fine. Then this side by side, the wheel is kind of bad, but it's fine. So it still works. And guys, if you want to know where to buy this, you could go. I think it's every year. Today it ended. I'm sorry you can't buy it until next year or soon or for a long time. I found this at Massive Toy Blowout, but you can find it at other toy shops too, probably. So, if you want to buy it, that's one. So, the doors don't open on the black truck, but it can pull it. there's like I'm gonna show you the other side of this camper. So you can see that there's like windows and a door. Oh, more windows. So it actually looks like a real camper because I actually seen a real camper like this, but not the exact same, but like the paint was the same, and it was like the same, and there was just like a real version but it didn't have the side by side, and then there was like it looked almost like this, but anyways, I think that's the end for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. And no second video, it's just holding up, so after ending, but see you in the next video, and peace.